Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update your Geico vehicle value by phone in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. It's going to be a really simple and straight to the point. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you got to do is to call Geico's customer service. So the number for your customer service is right there on the screen. You can go ahead and dial that, and you're gonna need to provide your policy information. So once you get the customer service representative on the phone, you're gonna need to provide your policy information, including of course your policy number as well as the vehicle information. And you can just request to update the vehicle's value. So go ahead and request that, and you're gonna provide a new value for the change. And once that's done, just go ahead and confirm the change to your policy with the customer service representative, and they're gonna take care of that for you. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to update your Geico vehicle value by phone in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll catch you guys